Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is health and disease part 2. So let's talk about it. Exercise. Along with a balanced diet, the body requires regular exercise. Regular exercise helps develop muscles and it increases the heart rates and improve the circulation of blood in the body. Exercise also improves the flexibility of the joints and it helps build immunity and protect the body from the disease. Many diseases are linked to improper diet and lack of exercise. They include heart attack or strokes, high and low blood pressure and high cholesterol and diabetes. Rest. Regular hour of sleep and rest are important for the body. During sleep, the body shuts down many of its systems. The muscles relax, the body cells are able to function properly. Non-communicable diseases are not infectious because they cannot be passed on from one person to another. Non-communicable diseases are also known as chronic disease. These diseases generally last a long duration but may progress slowly. Heart disease is linked to a diet that is high in unhealthy fats. There are different kinds of fats. Unsaturated fats raise the level of cholesterol in the body. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that is found in blood vessels. Too much cholesterol in the body clogs up the blood vessels, and clogged blood vessels may reduce and even stop the blood flow and causing heart attack. Diabetes is a disease related to the hormones insulin in the body. Insulin helps the body store and use sugar and fats from the food. People with diabetes either don't make insulin or either body cells are resistant to insulin. It leads to high level of sugar in the blood. Asthma is a disease that affects the bronchial tubes in the body. These tubes lead from the windpipe into the lungs. People with asthma get an asthma attack or episode during which their bronchial tubes get swollen and narrower. These blocks the passage of air in and out of the lungs. Cancer is a term used for disease in which cells that are not normal grow and spread very fast in the body. These abnormal cells divided without control and are able to invade other tissues. Night blindness, inability to see in the dark, beriberi, lethargy and fatigue. Scurvy, bleeding of gums and swelling of joints. Rickets, softening of the bones. Goiters, swelling of the front part of neck and protruding eyes. Anemia, reduced hemoglobin which reduce the amount of oxygen in the blood. Vaccination, some disease can be prevented with the help of vaccination. A vaccine is a small amount of weakened disease-caused germs and it is swallowed or injected into the body. Vaccines are available for several diseases including cholera, diphtheria, influenza, measles, mumps, smallpox, pertussis, tetanus and typhoid. So let's talk about facts about health and disease. Number 1. Drinking coffee can reduce the risk of depression, especially in women. Number 2. Chewing gums makes you more alert and receive stress and reduce anxiety level. Number 3. Yoga can boost your cognitive function and lower stress. Number 4. Walking outside or spending the time in green space can reduce negative thought and boosts self-esteem. Number 5. Chocolate is good for your skin. Its antioxidant improve blood flow and protect against UV damage. Kids, do you do exercise? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the health and disease part 2. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel, and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.